Where the hell is this coming from? You're fucking fast as hell. Dude, he's fucking fast as shit.
That was pretty long, wasn't it?
You're holding your breath.
It's still there.
Alright, go ahead. Dude, you got it right now, dude. Go ahead, go ahead.
Man.
Dude, he's sweating. He's sweating your ass off.
Oh, man, it won't go away.
Dude, you're whooping my ass on this shit, though.
It won't stop.
Alright, ready? Let's do a breath holding competition. Ready?
Alright.
Okay, hold on. You gotta focus though, because if you can whip my hand, dude, he was whipping the shit out of my hands. Alright, ready? Hold on, look at me, ready?
No.
Serious face, serious face. No, hold your breath though.
No.
Get rid of the hiccups.
I still get
Oh, you're like this, huh?
One. I got you. I still got you.
No, you didn't, nigga.
Yes, I did.
No, you hit the table.
I still got you.
I got that
No.
one.
You
no.
missed totally 100%. I still got
man. You barely clipped
Oh,
it. Barely. You know barely.
But you still barely clipped.
No, that's still
Alright.
That's still good for like switching spots.
Whatever, but I didn't get to switch.
No, I switched with you.
No, yeah, but only if. Alright.
No,
thought you were-
hitting me again.
I thought you were holding your breath.
Oh, there we go.
I thought you guys wanted to hold each other, have a hold your breath contest.
See, that was the same thing.
No, a little bit more, a little bit more.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Oh shit! How the hell did you get so alert? How the hell did you get so fast?
It's the fucking hand. Go this
What
way.
the fuck?
Yeah, that fucking hurt.
Oh, you hit that?
Yeah. Oh my fucking.
Ah! Dude, you can't scare him for shit.
Oh no.
No, put him down some. You're hitting me hard, you're hitting me fast as shit! Where's this coming from?
Hand.
Where's this coming from? I've never seen you this fast and you're hurting me. I gotta
You're holding your breath.
Dude, he's fast as shit!
He's holding his
He's
breath.
fast as like a grease pig.
He's holding his breath.
Ow! Fucking shit! Dude, he's fast as hell. I don't know where this is coming from. Dude, that hurts. Oh. Ah! Alright. Ah. You can breathe. Did you spit? Oh, look.
Oh, my breath for a long time. Please let it go away.
I think you got it. Alright, ready?
I didn't even let you hit me.
Dude, look at my hands.
Oh.